Hi guys, eto guys, binigay to sa amin. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo yung laman. Ayan, apple pie to. Ayan, here Sophie. Can you help mommy?
Yeah.
Yep, hold on. Look, wow.
Apple pie?
Yup. Somebody give us. Wow.
Oh, there's bubble
So big.
pop.
Ayan, Sophia guys. Oh.
I like
Eto
bubble
guys,
pop.
apple pie to. Bigay sa amin.
Mom, can
Kaibigan na ni asawa. So, ayan guys. Are you ready to eat?
Yeah.
So, ayan guys. Kain tayo guys. Apple pie. Ayan.
Mom,
So, malaki yan. Ayan, sa box.
I want to pop my
Yup, hold on.
bubble.
Hold
my
on.
bubble.
Sophia, gusto yung bubble lang. Uy, Sophie lang. We gonna eat, alright? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Ito, apple pie. Bigay to sa amin guys. Ayan. Kaibigan ni asawa. So, ayan. Dala-dala kanina. Sophie. Ayan, Sophia guys. Oh. So, ito, apple pie to guys. Ayan. Gusto ni Sophie itong bubble. Oh. So, ayan guys. Ang laki-laki. Ayan oh. Press bake yan guys. Tapos dinala dito. Nasa box pa siya. So ayan. Hold on Sophia. Hold on. Hold on. Like this. Yeah, there. Ayan Sophia guys. Oh. Hold on. Be careful in there. Kain tayo guys. Apple pie. Ayan.
I eat on my teeth.
Nope. Be careful. You ready to slice this one?
Yeah.
Look oh. So fresh. Fresh na fresh. Hold on.
Can I taste it?
We're gonna wait daddy. Ayan Sophia guys. Oh. Ayan yung apple pie. Bigay yan sa amin guys. Ayan oh. Laki. Laki. Ayan yung box oh. Careful. Okay, we're gonna put this one over here. Mommy will get plate. Alright?
I want to buy a bubble in my teeth.
Here, like this. Yeah. Hope. No.
Give me! That's my bubble. Mom, can you get an apple pie out?
Hold on.
Because I want to pop my bubble. No, don't do
Ayan.
it.
Be careful, Sophia.
Doesn't
Ayan, thank you for watching, guys. Ayan, kain tayo.
Is it strawberry?